Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on Etsy. If Etsy notifications are popping up too often, you can disable them completely or customize them so you only get what's important. First of all, launch open Etsy application on your device and log in. From the homepage of Etsy, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile picture. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, click on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Push Notifications. On the next page, go ahead and turn off any category you don't want notifications for. For example, if you don't want notifications for your activity, then you can toggle off the button right next to My Activity. Or if you want, you can also turn off all the notifications from the menu. You can also keep your order updates enabled, while you can turn off all the other notifications. That way you can only keep the notifications that you really want on Etsy. Now you'll not receive notifications for every other unselected option. That is how you can easily turn off notification setting on Etsy application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.